We're here to tell you how the sit at home went today. We want to know who won, Soludo or the Onisha marketers. Who actually won? So I'll be playing videos from various scenes, and I'll also read reactions. So you call the result by yourself. I have several videos that I will play to us. When you look at it, some were saying Onisha market was busy today. Some said there is no trace of anything happening. Prior to today, let me play what Mbuka market leader told his people, the chairman of Mbuka. There was an announcement prior to today. I think that announcement would have been on Friday or so. Yeah, over the weekend. He gave some directives to his people, and it's important. From there, we get to today, what happened today.
Security guard on Anambra, every Monday. Also, the major market in Anambra, which is included. Every Monday, the major market in Anambra, making hammer by all your government.
So do you realize what just happened there? Our chairman on Dembuka. Note, I'll be speaking Igbo and English. He was tirelessly passing his message. He's being careful. He doesn't want to offend the governor. He doesn't want to offend the people. He knows the people, some of them are willingly sitting at home, while some of them are. But he's being careful. He said he was giving a message from the governor, and the people should understand that he's a chairman, and the chairman ought to respect the governor and pass, just like a middleman, he passed the message as from the governor to them. He said they should understand that this is his work he's doing. But Otiha, onye na-azụ ọkpa, malụka isi azụ ọkpa, ka ejiri idea wee zụlọ ọkpa, ka ejiri idea wee golo ọkpa. Gbadokwe n'anya. Yes, the fact was, based on his statement, the government has promised, Governor Soludo promised to bring security that has never been seen before. That is, in essence, he's trying to say, we will protect this market like never before. Come out. We will protect you. Because why many people are actually afraid of coming out is because they don't want to be hurt. You know, remember those days of unknown gunmen attacking people who are coming out to. Meanwhile, there are in some corners they tell you it is not the unknown government that attacks, that is the security forces that attack. So there are mixed reactions on that. So that is it. For him, I want to pass the message. You guys know what to do. You know, for him, it was to pass the message. Now let's take us to another video. Now, before we go to that video, I saw a comment by Ijele, the one some of you call Iudene. There is a comment he made and he shared a particular picture. Let me show us the picture and we'll read a bit of the comment. There's a reason I want to read it. Now, please, if you are in Onisha, tell us how it went on the comment section. Tell us how it went. The sit at home today. Who won? The governor, that is the government of Anambra State, and I had this sit at home is beyond Anambra. The whole of Southeast, according to these people, is in a total lockdown. That is how the directives went. So, I will read that comment, Facebook post by Ijele, and I want you to please comment on the comment section. Tell us, is it true or not? Then I'll play the next video to show you. This is a video allegedly recorded today. Not just one, like 2 more videos. Then there is a popular social media content creator that I'll play his response to you. You will understand, you will learn something from, based on the way he will respond. You will learn a lot. Let's go there. Now, look at this picture on the screen. That picture is posted by Ijele, who you call Udene. I will now read what he wrote to you. There is a reason I'm reading it. There is a contest. This contest is among those who are supporting the governor. Definitely, Ijele will support the governor to end the sit at home because Ijele is anti-IPOB, anti-Anambra, and you already know. Let's read what he wrote. According to him on his Facebook wall, he said, please disregard the report that the traders did not show up. The IPOB ESN bingos as clockworks went out before the market opened to make videos. Okay, he's trying to say they went out earlier before the opening of the market. Certainly, people wouldn't have come. So any video you make at that point in time would be, you wouldn't get much people, and it would appear as if there is a sit at home. That's what he's trying to say. So he wrote, they went out before the market opened to make videos and circulating them on social media to confuse their bingos into believing the Onisha main market is sitting at home. It's not true. He said, I am writing this post at 9:41 a.m. At least by that time, the market would have opened. He said, I dare them to make any love video showing the current state of Onisha main market. So he's trying to say the market is open today, Monday, that is supposed to be sit at home and fully functional. He said the dark cloud has lifted. Light is finally back in Onisha. The main focus now should be Mbuko Obosi. The one I just played. Remember, I played a video from Mbuko Obosi. Note, that video I played earlier, like I told you, is not today. This is I think that video was made on Friday or last week. That video was talking about this Monday sit at home, that the people should be wise. So, according to Ijele, he said the next place is in Mbuko Obosi. The government needs to not just close it down for a month. He should also send the DSS into the market to fish out all the importers without passports that are bringing in spare parts in trucks into the market. Why will he fish them out? Ijele, why will he fish people out simply because they are marketers? Ijele, I don't understand what you mean by this. Fish out all the importers without passports. Must every importer have passports? People can be in Nigeria and make deals. I don't understand. If somebody does not have passport, it is the country he goes to that will deal with him, not you. You're overstepping your boundary, Ijele. Meanwhile, this is where I will stop in his comment. I read that particular comment for a purpose. Now let's get to other videos regards this sit at home I would like you to watch.
Don't reach Emeka Ofo. From Emeka Ofo, I go enter Kano Street. Chicken Plaza on Emeka Ofo Kodi. Maybe ticket. Not maybe ticket. Chicken Plaza, I don't reach. Chicken, I go secretary. Go Chicos Plaza. Careful, my bro. I'm always careful. If you want buy phone, come buy phone. Market is open. The blue plaza. Okay, this one. Okay. Take now, come buy in accessories. Men gallant, once we come, person fee open shop, sell for you, close and back. So you are free to come. Now this one is widely open. We just see them now. Now for social media, we just whoa.
Hello. So based on this guy making this particular video that I just played at Emeka Ofo, a place called Emeka Ofo, still in Anambra State, you can see there are people there in the market, about few of them. But there's something he said. If you want to buy, call or declare that you want to buy. They can just open the shop quietly, sell to you and close it back. Yes, some people came out from all indication, but they are doing it carefully. That fear is still there. That sit-at-home fear that have been instilled is still there. So he said, if you look at some of these shops, and based on what he said, many of the shops are locked. Even the ones that are open are watching carefully. He said, if you want to buy, they will sell quickly and lock up their shop again. They are being careful. They are not, they have gotten used to sitting at home. This like 5-6 years. Okay, it's getting to 5 years since it started, or almost 6 years. So they have not readjusted. Monday has turned to a day of rest. For long, sit at home wasn't in place. So he's trying to say, you can come, or we will sell to you, or we will do it carefully. Who knows how the next Monday will be? Will it be like this, or will they observe the sit at home again? Will they bow down to the pressures coming from Soludo, or I don't really know what will happen. Let me play a video by a popular social media content creator. There is what he said, and I think it meant something. You deduce from what you see and hear. Let me play the video.
Okay, if I put a cat up on a mem market in Azoka Afia. Mem market, even self na mem market can see a potaketa. Mem market in Azuo, a person shop, the whole plaza, and a load to motor. Never see a potaba can you go to Ifana. I can go soon, you go to a mem market. Can go soon if I'm go to a mem. Okay. Hey. The mem market, ya swamia, far less in carton. Instead of watch, I want to watch it in email. So as for my one, I mem market today. Mem market in Azudo. Hey, Soludo Merie. Soludo Merigo. Abo ne market aje be mem market asikwana no musi jere. Asikwana no musi jere mem market. Asikwana no musi jere o manager be. Mem market na so ka afia keta. Even if I find na mem market can go here. There. Very good. Putaba no mem market no subirigo. Putaba. Mem market na so na keta. Abuni je mem market ta and ni go te ife na afia ta. Screenshot why I post to go there in the comment section kaifu. Amago na main market ye mepe o. Agwaba na main market ye mepe mekwe. Good morning.
That guy you see there is Okongwu Dibia. And if you understand what he did, he's being sarcastic. I will not wait for you to just deduce what you hear. He's being sarcastic and he's mocking Soludo. And he brought something out, he showed you, and there's nothing inside. He's trying to tell you it is all, false news. That there's nothing like the market opening. Or perhaps some few people came to the market, but nothing was really happening. That's what he's trying to say. And he's daring his viewers to screenshot. If you bought anything from main market, screenshot and place on the comment section. That's what he's trying to do. He's trying to tell you nothing happened. That the ones who said the sit at home must hold are winning. So what do you think? Now, let's show us another video, maybe one or two, and we'll be out of here. Because they said, at the mouth of several witnesses, the truth will be confirmed. Sorry, that video has no audio. The place you just saw was Nnewi, 2nd February 2026. That is Nnewi. And as you can see, though I don't know the time this video was recorded. According to Ijele and some, the people went out early to make videos. But if you look at what Ijele said, I think if the sit-at-home recorded success, it is only maybe in Onitsha. And that is why he's pointing to Mbuka Obosi, that Soludo should go down to Mbuka Obosi. Even though he was jealous of the importers at Mbuka Obosi, he was saying something against them, that they don't have passports. Who deals with people who don't have passport and travel abroad? The immigration of those countries. Maybe, let me see if I can show us one video again. I'll be out of here.
Yeah, because I'm going to Soludo, market on Monday. See how they are. Upon the condition on Monday, said upon a fair back at our chanja. About in the Kitabo chanja. Yabia them, which is the whole market in Anambra State. And I'll 2 years. And I'll put a Soludo and send the earlier video of Papuko said. Chanja, one for Chanja. Yabia Michiko Benine on Abu Governor. Eba Katabo Chanja or Chanja Defa. Eba Nikatabo Chanja. Yabia Zamichi Benine. Shaman Numbuka, Shaman Numbuke, but since 3 years and on what if you put a poor Makia on MFO's capital Guavia. I found Chanja last week, upon if you all the close.
That particular video was shot through Ochanja market. And as you can see, it looks scanty. You judge by yourself. And who knows when the video was done. But from what you can see already, it appears nothing is happening. It rhymes with what Okongwu Dibia said. Some people actually came out, but it's like nothing was happening. Maybe you managed to open your shop, sell, and quickly. And this is like the first day they were forcefully, this is now a force. The other one is some were sitting at home as if it's a compulsion. Some were sitting at home willfully. Now, this come out is also a force. Soludo is under pressure from Soludo as a governor. Fear on both sides, as you can see. Meanwhile, I didn't notice any security, They said Soludo promised them, based on the chairman in the Mbuka video you saw, Mbuka, said he told them that the security he would provide will be like never before. And if people did not see that security today, it will have to do with next Monday. It will affect next Monday. People are scared. You know how, this has been for long. It's a gradual thing. Perhaps, who knows who will win at the end. I have never seen somebody with such admiration and followership like Nnamdi Kanu. Can you imagine? All Igbos. Now, wow. Let me see if I can play one more video and we'll be out of here. That is Ochanja market, like I told you. It is not very busy. Now, it also depends on the time the video was shot. I don't know. And as you can see, the day is already bright in that video.
This is a live report. Today being February